What's better than a fresh, hot donut? Absolutely nothing, that's what. That's why on my trip to Vancouver, I had to stop in the city's most legendary donut shop.
I get the donut like fresh out of the fryer.
Just donuts just make everybody happy. So it's our 40th year of operations. It was started by Mr. and Mrs. Lee. We've been in one of the 3 or 4 original vendors left in the Granville Island Public Market, and just been sticking to the same thing that we always did, was homemade, handmade, donuts from scratch, and just keeping it fresh and original recipe from 40 years ago. It's just your good old-fashioned donuts.
The donuts are even a favorite for local celebrities, like Seth Rogen. They keep a box reserved for him every day. He's known to pop in unannounced, maybe even with a friend. That friend is David J.
I've never had donut holes fresh out of the fryer and glazed. Cheers. Oh no.
The donuts speak for themselves, but we just appreciate the community behind the market and the community behind this business here. So family-run business. And then the honey dip donut speaks for itself. So amazing donut, just melts in your mouth.
Head baker Alvin George has worked at Lee's for over 35 years, and he was even childhood friends with manager Carol.
Like 4 donuts a day.
And then you kind of have to tone it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like if I were working here, half of these would be gone by now.
The famous honey dip donuts are fried fresh, and Alvin quality tests them daily. I wanted to see if I had what it takes, but I learned it's best to leave donut making to the professionals.
Oh, it doesn't get any better than that. I feel so fortunate right now to try this donut, like so fresh. It's like steaming still. It's so fluffy. Do you see those air pockets? Like, I feel like I'm just biting into air. Okay, I need to stop because I know that I'm gonna probably have to eat a few more.
Then it was time for the big Mama Donut. She's fried, she's glazed, and she's filled with jelly, much like me after this shoot.
It's so crunchy. I know Seth Rogen likes his donuts filled with this jelly, but has he ever tried this behemoth of a thing? Because I think this will be his next favorite. Best donuts in Canada.
I've had kids come in here from when they were really little, and now they're parents themselves. They bring their kids in, and it's really neat to see. We got all ages in here enjoying the donuts.
Don't look at me. I know I said I was gonna stop, don't look at me.